Everyone, Ganesh here. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your fog lamp assembly and the fog lamp bulb as well, and it's a fairly simple process. The tools are available in your toolkit, but before that you will have to remove the plastic trim outside the fog lamp. And to remove this, there's a small pin that they've given as a part of the toolkit. I'll show you how. This is that pin which is used to pull off the trim. You can see a hole here. Let me just bring the camera closer. I need to put this inside. You don't have to worry about any of the plastic tabs breaking. Yeah, so you're going to need a T25 Torx screwdriver. This is also available in the kit. There are two screws that hold the fog lamp with the bumper. You can see the connector here, 2-pin connector. The easiest way to do this, I reckon, is to take the bulb off. Press the tab, pull the bulb out of the connector. So the bulb comes like this. It's a part of the connector here. This, I believe, is an H8 or an H11 connector. It would have been specified here in the fog lamp. So as you can see here, they have indicated that this is an H8 bulb. You're not supposed to use 24 volt bulb because the complete assembly is a 12 volt. So it's an H8 bulb. An H11 bulb also fits the purpose because they are interchangeable. There's only a very slight change in the notches. So this assembly comes as a part of the box. All you got to do is, again, match the notches. You can see the notches are differently sized. Match it with the hole here. Twist it. That's all. Connect this, and if required you can clean this a bit, but again it's not really necessary because it's going to again get a lot of dust. Okay, so this connector you see here, this is for the second horn, or a fanfare as Volkswagen calls it. In case you need to attach a second horn, this is that connector which they have set from the factory and zip tied it to this fog lamp connector. Just a heads up, while holding the bulb, be careful not to touch the glass part of the halogen bulb. The hands have the body oils which may get deposited on the glass and it ends up getting heated differently, and this can lead to premature bulb failures. The good thing about Taparia's Torx screwdrivers is the bit is magnetic, so it holds on to the screw. Insert the trim matching the slots in the bumper. That's all. For the other side as well, it's going to be the mirror image. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and give me a subscribe.